Hi everyone, it's night time. I'm feeling quite chilled out. I've got the heater on in my office and I thought I'd do a video. And today's video is going to be a post this here because I haven't done one for a while. So I've selected probably 6 objects. Let me just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 5 today. And I'm going to go through them and let's see what we've got. So, first product is this. And it's Chinese. It says Zebitha. This is a PCB pen. Well, I'm not sure if it's called a PCB pen, but it's for when you create PCBs. It's quite peculiar. I've never had one of these before. It's got 2 ends. Yeah. Let's try it out. Hang on a minute. I've got a PCB here. This one will do. So I've got 2 of these, no doubt cheap. Let's try it out. Now I don't know about the quality of this, but we'll see. Now, I think the idea of this is that you, after coating over some of the copper, if there are little marks or something, you can do that and draw over it, and then when you etch it, this serves as a protection, and then you wipe it off later, and then that particular piece there that we've just drawn won't get burnt away with the chemical which burns copper. At least that's my understanding of it anyway. Oh wow. Yeah, that's pretty good. You'd have to yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's good. Let's have a look at the other end as well. We may as well. It'd be interesting to know what all that says though. If any of my viewers are Chinese, maybe you can help me. What does that say? Anyway, let's just check the other side. Yeah, it's got some nice coverage. Anyway, so they are PCB pens, and we'll find out more about those in a bit. PCB pens. Shut that to one side. What is this? It's obviously some sort of kit. Okay, IC station IC SK711A. Let's see. So VR5P, which will be this. Yep, variable resistor VR. Okay, so obviously the pin's a bit bent, but that's a variable resistor. Capacitor, jumper. Some stuff there. TDA. There's an audio thing there. Audio jack. TDA 8. Let me just see where the chip is. And let me guess, the chip's not in there. Oh, there it is. So the chip says, yeah, TDA 2822M. I don't know what that is, but presumably, in fact, is there an aerial here? No, there's not. So we've got a variable resistor, we've got presumably some sort of output, or then again it could be input. What are these? I guess these are speakers maybe? Yeah, SP, so these are speakers and there's another one in there. So if they're speakers, this is either a microphone to go to the speakers, or more likely it's some sort of amplifier. TDA, I wonder if that A stands for amplifier. I'm not too sure, but we'll find out anyway. It's some sort of audio device of some sort. Put that back in. There's a kit video for whatever day I decide to do that. The next thing is two of these, and these are lasers. So let's try this out. So there'll be 3 volts probably. So let's do 2.5. Let's try these out. Now I can actually get these lasers that burn, and I think that'd be a very interesting thing for me to play about with and buy, really. What's going on here? Not gripping. There we go. And there we go, it's turned on. So, oh, that's not very good, is it? Let's try again. Doesn't help with these things, these plastic pieces here, you know, on these crocodile clips. I only did it a few weeks ago, and they're really oily, like they put some sort of finishing oil on the plastic or something like that. Anyway, so there's the LED. Sorry, not the LED, the laser. What happens if I point it up here? Nothing. Yeah, so there's the thing. I'll turn it up actually. So that's 3.5 volts. Yep. I could go outside and show you, but I guess you've all seen these things before. Just an ordinary laser. I mean, in the UK you typically buy these sorts of things in a place called Blackpool, which is well, it's not really a resort, but it's just a place people go, and there's a bit of a beach and amusements at night time. You can buy these sorts of things from there. Anyway, so that's the next item, lasers. What's next? We've got this. Right, okay, I remember buying these, and I bought these for a reason. At the time I was working on fixing an Apple Mac, and I bought an Apple Mac. It was a MacBook Air, and I bought it very, very, very cheap, and it had motherboard failure. I bought it broken like that, and I bought it because they sell for a lot of money. They're known to be good quality. Sell for a lot of money. I had like a aluminium case. I've still got it actually. It's excellent. I couldn't sell it because I liked it so much. But yeah, it had a motherboard fault, and I thought, well, I'll get some micro ones of these. And there you can see the micro ends. They're actually very good quality. I bought very good quality ones because I saw the connections were so small, and I thought I'd fix it. In the end, I did fix it, and yeah, it cost me 100 and something quid for an Apple Book Air, or whatever it's called. So yeah, I'm very impressed, and because of that, probably I'd consider getting more and repairing more. Anyway, so that's why I bought these, and yeah, and they're very good quality, as you can see here. They're a little bit thicker than normal, but the ends are thin and sharp, and cables quite good quality, and you can see it's even got dust stoppers on the ends there. So yeah, good quality leads. And what's next? We've got these. What are these? Okay, and the last item is this HX711, and if I remember rightly, that is an ADC, and it will be a very high resolution one, otherwise I wouldn't have bought it. So it's going to be over 16, probably 24-bit or something like that, which is, you know, like I said, very, very high resolution. So what have we got here? VCC, which will be plus 3.305. SCK, which will be clock. So is that SPI clock? We've got DT. What would that be? I expect to see. Yeah, there's no MOSI, so I expect that to be SDA. Data, maybe data. And we've got ground. Then we've got E plus, E plus, E plus, E minus, A minus, A plus, B minus. So they're obviously the channels. that you can feed it with. And what's on the back? Nothing. Okay, so that's an ADC. So now to find out where I got this stuff from and how much it all cost. Alright, so the first item is new TDS 2822 blah 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 power amplifier board module DC blah 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 from Module Me. Yep, I buy a lot of stuff from that seller, or I used to anyway. £1.9 for this, and it says power amplifier board. So the idea is presumably there's some sort of input and it outputs to speakers with an amplified volume, I presume. And there's a few pictures there from Shenzhen as normal. And what does it say? Use the chip which is developed by ST. This kind of chip is used in the Walkman, radio, multimedia, active speaker as the audio amplifier. It has the advantage of a simple circuit and good sound volume, wide range, and so on. What's more, it can work in the stereo and the BTL circuits, and there's a diagram here, which doesn't mean a great deal to me because I don't know anything about audio electronics, to be honest. But there we go. £1.9, whatever it is, it's worth £1.9. I mean, I could learn something from it. The next thing is 2 pieces CCL anti-etching PCB blah 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 blah, also from Module Me. Oh, okay, £1.34 for 2. And what does it say about that? 100% brand new. Oh, that's good, because I wouldn't want to buy a 99% brand new one. That wouldn't be good, would it? Black colour, double pen, using for repairing the printed circuit diagram on the CCL. Using for repairing the printed circuit diagram on the CCL. I don't really know what that means. CCL. I'll have to find out. Two pieces, blah blah blah. Yeah, I've read that. Okay, that's cool. Oh, what was that then? BJC. Oh, okay. Anyway, so £1.34. The next, Module Me again, 99p. So it says 2 pieces, 3 volts, 5 milliwatts, 650 nanometer, 6mm laser dot diode module red, copper head mini laser pointer. From Shenzhen. And what does this say? 100% brand new and high quality. That's good, because again, you wouldn't want to buy one that's only 99% brand new. Output power 5 milliwatts. We've already been through this. Less than 40 milliamps. And there's some other stuff about it. 99p for 2. Next. What's this now? Oh yeah, I bought it so long ago that I can't find it. So let's just go for this one. Module Me. Probably was from Module Me anyway. I bought 5, so maybe £2.45 I paid, maybe. And it says, right, let's have a look, dual channel 24-bit precision analog to digital. Oh, hang on a minute, hang on. Right, I thought this was an ADC. Let's have a look. Module pressure. Module pressure, what the hell is that? This module uses a 24-bit high precision analog to digital converter, high precision electronic scale and design, with 2 analog input. The internal integration of PGA of 1 to 8 can be configured to provide an electrical bridge voltage such as pressure, weight. Oh, okay. 2 selectable input channels, on-chip low noise PGA, no external components, simple digital control and serial interface. Oh, hang on a minute, serial interface, that's interesting. I don't remember that. It says DT and SCK, so I don't know. And the last item that I bought is from Sunshine 2016 1516 and costs £2.79, and it's for this needle tipped multimeter pen probes test leads tester 1000 volts 20 amps 110 centimeter cable new. And I suppose it does look a little bit expensive for what it is, £2.79. However, these are excellent cables. They're actually the best I've ever had. And you can see that the tips there are actually gold plated, and they've got a plastic cover as well. So I'm actually very impressed with these. Hang on a minute, they're not like that. They're not like that. They're like this. You see the gold tip there, needle tipped. It's not these ones. These ones are cheaper ones. It's not those. It's these ones, the gold ones. So yeah, I bought these, and the gold ones came. So I was very impressed. However, now looking at this, if those came, I wouldn't be so impressed. Anyway, let's see what it says. Thin tip needle, using advanced ultra soft PVC silicone line, anti-blocking, blah blah blah. It's just sounds like a load of rubbish there, to be honest. Small IC pins, yeah, it has got those. Gold plated, yeah. Anyway, these are very good for £2.79. They're excellent, really. So that was the last item for today's video anyway. So I hope you enjoyed the video as normal, and thanks for watching. Bye.